Hi, I'm JJ Sawicki from TRC. Welcome to our Heat Pump Boss series, Level Up Your Heat Pump Installs. We've got the tools, tips, and how-tos that will help make you an expert heat pump installer. Today we're going to focus on real-world outdoor unit placement issues. Let's dive right in. In this video, we will be looking at 3 real-world examples where outdoor unit placements led to real problems. Initially, this installation looked great. The outdoor unit was protected by the deck, had sufficient airflow, and avoided snow buildup. But then an unexpected issue arose. Melting runoff from above dripped through the deck and onto the unit where it quickly refroze, blocking all airflow through the outdoor unit. The easiest way to mitigate this issue would be to install a baffle system. A properly designed baffle can shed runoff away from the unit without negatively impacting airflow to it. This simple addition can prevent long-term damage and ensure the system operates efficiently. Here's another real-world example of how outdoor unit placement can lead to issues. In this case, the homeowner left for Florida and turned down the heat to 50 degrees. When they returned, they were shocked to find a $2,000 electric bill. The cause? A compressor ice block formed by water dripping from a gutter directly above the unit and freezing over time. The gutter happened to have a weak point in its support bracketing right above the heat pump that you can see here. The lesson here is clear. Avoid placing outdoor units under gutters whenever possible. If it's unavoidable, ensure the gutter is securely fastened and functioning properly to prevent water runoff from dripping onto the unit. Additionally, when it's necessary to place a heat pump under a gutter, adding a shield or snow deflector is preferable. These can help redirect water and snow away from the unit, preventing ice formation and potential damage. For more information on snow deflectors, please visit cleanheatconnect.ny.gov. A link will also be attached in the description of this video. For this one, the installation started off well on this commercial property, with the outdoor units protected from snow under an entrance platform with plenty of room to operate. But then, the building owners decided the outdoor units were visually unappealing to their patrons. So they put up a big sheet of painted plywood to cover them up. And you can guess what this does in the winter. As air gets cooled off flowing through the unit, it bounces right off that plywood and recirculates. Colder now, right back through, over and over again. They've created a refrigerator. This kills the unit's heating capacity and efficiency. So to sum up, the number one principle for outdoor placement. You need it so air can easily flow into, through, and away from the unit. If you're blocking that airflow in any way, you're going to hurt capacity and efficiency. So protect from snow, ice, fences, panels, shrubbery, and everything else. A happy heat pump has clearance around it all year long. Thanks for diving in with us on real-world outdoor unit placement issues. Remember, we're here for you at cleanheatconnect.ny.gov with more videos, resources, guides, and best practices. Hope to see you in our other sessions as we complete better installations together, one project at a time.